Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today I have something new from evbase. They sent me a new wheel cover, okay? And this wheel cover, they call it the spiral style or something like that. But anyways, take a look at it. What do you guys think? Look at that. Okay, it's not bad. I like it. It looks good. Okay, it's going to help protect my rims, and if I was to hit a curb or anything like that, it's going to help protect it. And guys, it's pretty easy to install. The link for it is down in the description of my video. Anyways guys, let's get started on that install. I'm going to show you what it looks like a little bit more. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started on these wheel covers from evbase. Once again, they are the 19-inch for my 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper. They fit my 19-inch wheels. They're called the spiral style wheel covers, okay, from evbase. Once again, if these are something that you're interested in, down in the description of my video, you can find a link. You can go there, you can purchase. Make sure you use my discount code to save some money. So let's go ahead and get started. So taking them out of the box, they don't look too bad right here. I kind of like this style. It's got a pretty cool flow going to it right here. This right here is going to be the center cap. They do send you some Tesla caps here. It's got the T logo on it right there. So as you can see, we're going to, I'll put those on. They're just like stickers. They go on there pretty simple. So we got 4 of these wheel caps right here. They will go over your valve cap right here. And something I want to show you about, this here is the original one. This here is the wheel cover that comes on my original Tesla when I first got it, the Model Y Juniper. And anyways, it doesn't cover all the way to the actual metal rim. This fits right below the rim. So if you hit a curb or anything like that, you're still going to damage up your wheel, and it doesn't work that great. I really don't like these ones here. Now, this new one here, look at that. I want to show you the size difference on this. Look how much bigger this one is, because this one actually covers the entire wheel. All right, this one here will go over your wheel all the way around and help protect your wheel. So one, if you were to hit a curb or something like that, it's going to scratch up this, damage this, and you can throw this thing away and get a replacement and put it on there. And your wheel should, hopefully, as long as you don't hit it too hard, should still look good. But anyways, this thing adds a lot of good style to your car too. It makes it look like you actually have expensive wheels on there when you don't. Okay, it's just a cover, and you can put it on, you can take it off, you can do whatever you want. It's real simple. What else they come with is they also come here with the padding. This padding we're going to put around this edge right here, and all it is to help protect that wheel so it doesn't vibrate or anything. And plus I believe it helps it stay on there a little bit more secure with this padding on here, so it doesn't make any noises or anything like that. They do give you some black center caps, but they sent me the ones that have the T logo on here. I like these ones better. Of course, I want the T logo on there to represent my car. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get started installing this stuff. It's real simple. We're just going to put the sticker around all 4 of these, go out there, take off my old wheel covers I have on, the ones I have on right now, and then pop these ones on and we'll take a look at it. So let's get started. Okay, so to get started, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the padding, I guess you can say, take off the sticker back and put it around here, and that's pretty much all you got to do. There you go. Pretty simple. Got it all the way around the edge. Last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put that center cap on. So here's my center cap. Take this little backing off. Put it straight on the middle. There we go. Here's their finished look right there. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of mine, put them all on. Once I get everything on, I'll take it out to the car. So let's get started. All right, now that I got all 4 of these done, got the wheel caps put on, I have the rubber or the foam around the inside there. It's time to go out there and install them. Sometimes they recommend a special tool or whatever to take off your old wheel caps. I just like to use my fingers and pull on them. So we're gonna just go out there and check these things out right now. Here's my old ones. different type of wheel cover on there. I'm just gonna take them off, put my fingers behind there, start prying them off. And to install the new ones, all you gotta do is make sure you line up your hole here for your air plug, air port, and there you go. It's installed. It's pretty simple. Let's take a look at these guys. Looks pretty good. I love the fact where they cover your rim all the way around. I mean, it really makes it look like it's a real rim and not just a cover. You got your Tesla logo right there, and it looks pretty good. It's all matte black. There we go. Well, there you go. These things are so simple to install. They look good on my car. They help protect it. They look stylish. I like them. If you're interested in these, go straight to evbase. There's a link in my description of my video. Make sure you click on it. It'll take you straight there. Use my discount code. Save some money. Okay, whatever you do, make sure you use a discount code, all right? And guys, if you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video, subscribe for more, and most of all, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Peace.